Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and today we are on the Sky Princess, the lovely Sky Princess, and it's written out there if you can see it. We are at deck 17 forward. This is the Sky Pool, I believe they call it, and the retreat bar, so maybe it's the retreat pool. Anyway, there's glass windows here and on the other side, and cabins here, and our cabin is all the way forward here. Now, you should know that there are other cabins. There's some suites forward, but we are on that cabin. So let's go in. And it's one of the kind of cabins where you need a little card, and of course they left it in there for us, so to activate the lights. It's a pretty small cabin. We'll come back to this area, but you should know it's not a huge cabin. The TV is mounted on the wall though. So let's talk about the TV. Those are the live channels. BBC, Sky News, CNBC, Sky Sports, Sport, Prime 1, Prime Favorites, National Geographic, and Bridgecam. So, movies are free on Princess ships and on demand, and they probably have about 100. There won't be anything super new, but you know, A Man Called Otto, 80 for Brady, that's relatively new. Notice Australia and Affair to Remember, so they have old movies too. Not that Australia is as old as An Affair to Remember, but Gentlemen Prefer Blondes. Anyway, and these categories, remember, they go all the way across. Oh, Spanish. So, there's a lot to watch. There's music. There's TV series. Safety, Princess Patter. They have a really good entertainment system on Princess ships. And the bed is right there. I want you to look at the bed. Do you see? Yeah. So, we'll of course get a minibar set up. I've never had them put a tea kettle in my cabin, and this was here, so with the setup for it. Hey, it's got a mirror, refrigerator, and I would say it's cool, not cold, but I don't know. There's a dial there. I don't know which way is the coldest. I think that's where it's turned. That's more the minibar setup. Got these little shelves, and that's like it for shelves. Okay? Go on the balcony in a minute. It's got a vanity, you want to call it, a desk, whatever. All these papers were here. We brought all the other stuff. Telephone. It has one U.S. outlet, 2 U.S. outlets, 2 European outlets. This guy, are you familiar with that? I think that might be Australia. I'm not sure. Another mirror. I'm going to open this one drawer just to show you that's where the blow dryer is. Right? Hey, they're playing our song. Started pulling away.
That was pretty good timing.
And the Iona is signaling us, I think. Anyway, there's the bridge. Of course, this, like I said, our cabin is forward. These are suites, so they're double-sized balconies. 2 reclining chairs out here. And I expected a balcony about that big, because on the Discovery Princess, that's about how big they are up here. We had this same cabin, or one similar, on the Discovery recently. And a little table. And a Janet. And she wants in. So, a lamp on each night table, we'll call it, with one USB port on each side. No USB ports anywhere else. A little opening, cubby, whatever, and 2 drawers. There is storage for your luggage under the bed, as long as there's not a lot of bedding under there. Go to the other side real quick. You have a picture in every cabin. This is courtesy of Lynn R. And it's the Lofton Islands, Norway. We're on a Norway cruise, but we're not going to the Lofton Islands, I don't think. See? USB port. Drawers. Let's head for the bathroom. So there's the bathroom. Let's first look at the closet. Oh, it's an automatic light. Just came on. So we've got these guys. And a big shelf. And a row of shelves. And of course a safe. It looks like we have plenty of hangers. I'm not sure. This is our junk, of course. So, it's pretty standard for Princess. Pretty standard. Let's go in here. Big sink. In fact, a fairly big counter. 2 glasses, 3 shelves in here, an outlet, a UNIS 120 volt. Normally it says for shavers only. This one doesn't seem to, so I don't know. Oh, and it says 230 volt there, and it has those 2 holes, so if you know how to use them, use them. Towels, one of those. The shower is a little bigger than I'm used to on a cruise ship, and it has the handle that comes off. So I love a handle that comes off. If I can only get it back on. Now it has, this turns on the water, so water pressure, and this is temperature, and it has a lock at 38 degrees. Although our lock, as you can see maybe, is broken. It's not there. So I could go really hot. So be careful. Test. It's got shower gel and shampoo and conditioner. And of course I always show this. It's a clothesline. Because of that vent right there, when you're not taking a shower or something, this is sort of the driest place in the place. Plus it can drip. Driest place in the cabin. Now I did notice, if I was going to sit here, that the toilet paper's here. Now that's not too far away, but don't know why they didn't put it here. Trash can, extras, those bags, tissues, and a mirror. From the Sky Princess in cabin S201, forward starboard side, this is Gareth.
And Janet.
Somewhere over there. Saying, the room steward's here, the room steward's here.
The luggage.
Bringing our luggage.
Completed already?
That's JB.
Yeah. My name is JB. Nice to meet you.
I'm sure he's going to do a fabulous job.
Oh, okay.
So,
yeah.
Can I request you?
we'll see you.
robes?
I will.
Janet's making a request, and she doesn't realize I already met JB and requested everything. Anyway, see you in the next port.
See you later.
Bye.